Today we're gonna talk about how to create a Java project. So I wanna close this because I had this one open. And what you have to do actually to create a project, I have already 2 projects here on the left, you can see. So I'm using Eclipse as the ID. So you just need to click on File, New, Java Projects. And once you click Java Projects, and it's gonna pop up, you're gonna see it pop up, and then you give it some name. Let's say you give it third project, and you just need to click on finish. Then there you go, you can see you have your project created. So to head somewhere to code, you can click on source, and you select source from here and go just where there is a C and plus. It says new Java class. Click on new, click on the icon, and then it's gonna pop up this, and let's say third project class. We name it third project class, and make sure to select public static void main. This one right here, I'm doing it. I select it. It's where actually our code, our projects, the starting point of the project, where the projects run. Because if you don't have it, your project it won't run. So click on finish. Then you have here, you have the name of the class you created, which is inside the project, the third project. As you can see, we're getting under again until we're gonna get to the class. And in here, remember I told you to select the main method, so he added the main method. So it's pretty much here where we write our codes, right? In here, in between this accolade, it's where the code is gonna be running, like where the starting point of the project is gonna be running. So I wanna write something so that we can test if it is running. We're gonna just do this is something just we really use to publish stuff in the console. System out print lane. We're gonna just do hello Java to see hello Java, and semicolon always at the end. So let's run it. I click the green with a triangle here, the bigger circle, green circle with a white triangle to run it, and this pop-up is gonna come, and then click just in OK, and it's gonna run, and you can see here the outcome is hello Java. So this is how you create a project. Thanks for listening. Have a good one, all of you. Be blessed. Bye.